All right. Hello, everybody. I hope you are having a great day today. We are going to practice our hand-eye coordination and our reflexes by playing a game called Paper Rocket Challenge. And I'll show you how that game works, but first we have to make our paper rocket, okay? So what you need is a blank piece of paper, and you need a piece of tape or some glue or something that's sticky that'll keep your paper the way it's supposed to be. If you don't have tape or glue or anything like that, you can use a paper ball for this game as well. But if you do have these two items, then you should try and create this. Okay. So what you're going to do is you are going to take your piece of paper like this, and you are going to roll it up long ways like this, just like this. So I folded it hot dog style or long ways. And then you're going to take your tape or your glue or whatever, and you're going to put it right here so that it stays like this, right? So it looks kind of like a baton. So I will give you a minute to go ahead and do that. Just give me a thumbs up or hold up your rocket to show me that you're finished, and then we will get started. And again, you can use a paper ball or a ball if you have to. So I will go ahead and wait for a minute here. All right. So everyone should have their paper rocket finished or their paper ball ready to go. So this is how the game is going to work. Actually, before the game, we are just going to practice using this piece of equipment. So what I want you to do, I want you to hold your paper rocket like this with two fingers, your thumb and your index finger. And then you are going to bring your hand up and you are going to smack it out of your hand. And it's going to spin like this and you're going to try and catch it, okay? So what you can do is you can practice doing this and catching it with one hand. You could practice hitting it and catching it with two hands. You could try hitting it and waiting till it gets low to try and catch it. You can hit it and wait till it gets high to try and catch it, or wait till it gets a little bit higher up to catch it. So those are the different things you can do with this. We are going to just practice this for about a minute. And again, if you have a paper ball, you can do the same thing. You can just smack the ball out of your hand and catch it, okay? So for a minute, when you hear the music, we're just going to practice hitting our paper rocket and trying to catch it. All right, everyone, on your marks, get set, go. All right, everyone, time is up. So we just practiced hitting our paper rocket. Now we are actually going to play a game to see how many points we can score. This is how the game works. First, you are going to do 3 squats. 1, 2, 3. And next, you're going to put your paper rocket in either hand, either your left hand or your right hand, either way, it doesn't matter. Then you are going to smack it out of your hand like we just practiced, and you are going to try and catch it. You have to catch it with one hand. If you catch it with two hands, it doesn't count, okay? So this is what it would look like. I do 1, 2, 3 squats. I hit it. Ooh, I caught it with one hand. I get 1 point, okay? Then I do 3 more squats, hit it again and try and catch it. I count how many points I have. If it hits the wall or the ceiling and you catch it, that still counts. But if it hits the ground, it doesn't count. Okay. If there are any questions, go ahead and ask now. All right. We are going to play this game for a minute and a half. Keep track of how many points you get. And remember, you have to do 3 squats before you can hit it out of your hand. When you hear the music, we are going to start. On your marks, get set, go. All right, everyone, time is up. You can go ahead and share your score in the chat or show me with your fingers. We not only did we get some good leg workout by doing a bunch of squats, we got to practice our hand-eye coordination, and I bet that game was a lot harder than you initially thought. So that's a really fun game. You can keep a hold of this piece of equipment. We might use it in the future. Awesome job, everybody.